In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Session Buddy to Chrome. Session Buddy is a popular tab and session manager that helps you save your open tabs, restore them later, and keep everything organized in one place. If you work with a lot of tabs or want an easy way to recover a browsing session, this extension can be a real time saver. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version so you can access the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, type Session Buddy Chrome Web Store and press Enter. From the search results, click the link that takes you directly to the Session Buddy page in the Chrome Web Store. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the official extension listing with its description, star rating, and user count. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install Session Buddy automatically. When it's done, you should see the Session Buddy icon appear near your address bar at the top right of the browser, and you may also see a short confirmation message letting you know the installation was successful. After installation, click the Session Buddy icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the extension's dashboard. From here, you can save your current set of open tabs as a session, restore a saved session later, and manage all of your tabs from a single, organized view. This is especially helpful before closing a research-heavy window or when you want to switch contexts without losing your place. If your browser ever restarts unexpectedly, Session Buddy makes it much easier to pick up where you left off. A couple of important tips before you get started. First, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Session Buddy requires version 110 or newer to install and run properly. If the Add to Chrome button doesn't work, or you see an error, an outdated browser is often the cause, so updating Chrome usually resolves it. Second, only install extensions you trust. Browser extensions can access your browsing data, so it's smart to review the publisher information and read recent reviews to confirm you're getting the genuine tool. That's it. You've added Session Buddy to Chrome, and you're ready to save sessions, restore them later, and manage your tabs more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized browsing experience.